Well, from Lucknow, we have an empty chair on the News Hour tonight because Samajwadi Party leader, Mr. Bukkal Nawab, he said just before the debate was to begin, in fact, while the news report was being broadcast, he said he's not feeling well and he's therefore not on the debate. That's the empty chair. We are still hoping. We are still hoping that Mr. Bukkal Nawab will join us back in Lucknow, and we are in fact trying to get in touch with Gaurav Bhatia and other Samajwadi Party representatives to join us on this debate. Otherwise, we'll have to be forced to show that empty chair. That empty chair is for the Samajwadi Party, and any Samajwadi Party leader can join us there to sit on that empty chair. Otherwise, that empty chair will be a metaphor of political parties running away from answering serious questions in this debate. Lalita Kumaramangalam joins us on the debate. The BJP has the singular honor of having BJP leaders also who are part of that holiday to Australia, New Zealand and Fiji, which is the Gold Coast Winter Amazing Australia Express, fully paid with boat cruises and cabaret rides, paid by taxpayer money. Last time when she was on this subject, she says change the rules. Sohail Seth is having a good laugh. I don't know at whose expense tonight. I think the politicians are laughing at our expense, Sohail. Your own. Yeah, we are all. Yes.
We are all on our own.
But you're at least laughing at your own expense. In some time from now, politicians will even want their laughter to be paid by taxpayer money. Yes, Bejon Mishra joins us on the debate, also with us on the debate is the spokesperson of the JDS nationally. His name is Danish Ali. Danish, thank you for joining us. Now, how many of your leaders are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 JDS leaders who are part of this Gold Coast Express. So my first question goes to you. Gold Coast Express, day 1 of 16 days. Enjoy the Sydney Show boat cruise. And I'll show the pictures as I speak. Revel in the carnival atmosphere of Sydney Showboat's unique live entertainment extravaganza. Enjoy a vibrant and a fast-paced cabaret show. And then go on to enjoy the glamour and splendor of sidewalk cafes of 19th century. And then followed by an elaborate dinner on board before you go to your 5-star hotel in Sydney. You feel ashamed when I read all this to you, or are you immune to it?
Arnab, our leader of the opposition in the assembly, Mr. H.D. Kumaraswamy, has said it very categorically that the government of Karnataka, headed by a Congress chief minister, and the speaker of the assembly must cancel this tour.
Until then you will enjoy.
No,
till then you will enjoy.
Come.
Yeah.
See, Karnataka is suffering from drought.
No, why? If that is the case, then your leader says it's terrible, but 3 of your MLAs or 4 of your MLAs are still enjoying in Australia. I can give you their names: C.B. Suresh Babu, A.B. Ramesh Bandi Sidde Gowda, and Dattatreya C. Patil Revura. They are all enjoying themselves in this foreign holiday. Why?
The party leadership has decided, has categorically said on record, asked the chief minister and the speaker to cancel this tour. We, as a political party, we are of the view that these steady tours should be there. Not these type of tours.
But these types of tours are happening,
We are against these type of holidaying. We are for the steady tour. If they are going for any learning.
No, what's the learning there?
No, if they
sack them, no?
No, if they...
When do you think they should just be sacked? I mean, I think you should... Bejon Mishra sack them?
Yeah, no, I mean... At least,
what happens?
No, you have to tell them that you pay on your own and you go with your own expenditure. Why should you use taxpayers' money to go and have a nice holiday like this?
Yeah.
I mean, my question is, if the party head is saying something and the MPs or the MLAs are not listening to that, that means there is complete indiscipline. They have to understand. You see, Arnab,
no, we have not.
What I want to tell you. What I want to tell you is, they should stop first wearing khadi. You know, I get detested when I see these politicians wearing khadi and undermining our, father of the nation's mission. See, what I get worried about is they talk pro-poor.
Yeah.
They come on the camera and they start talking as if they are for the poor. And here, people are dying. People don't have 2 meals a day and they go holidaying. What kind of a conscience they have got? I don't understand this conscience.
I'll tell you how they are. They're not just that, they are also cheats.
Absolutely.
I'll tell you why they are cheats. Because they even, I have proof here that these some Karnataka MLAs have been copying and pasting text, Sohail said, from the internet in their so-called reports on study tours. There are 2 MLAs who are part of a committee. They copy and pasted reports from the internet. Their 10-page report is full of paragraphs copied from websites around the world. This is why we send them, so that they go, travel, enjoy cabarets, and when they come back, they cut and paste from the internet.
Criminal.
I mean, I think they are not just...
It's not criminal.
They're criminal cheats. And yet Mr. Danish Ali does not have the sobriety to say he will sack these people.
Exactly.
Because Mr. Danish Ali does not care.
No.
Sohail Seth. You're Sohail Seth now. And we are going to open up to phone lines. Yes, Sohail.
The tragedy of India is that many of our elected representatives are in reality louts who live off not the land, they live off voter aspiration and they live off voter concern. I'm amazed that Mr. Danish Ali on national television on Times Now can say that Kumaraswamy objected, but it's the Chief Minister's fault. I mean, for God's sake, who are you fooling? We're not a bunch of morons in this country anymore. The doublespeak that you indulge in, the reprehensible manner in which you behave, the brazenness with which you act, and the arrogance with which you mock our intelligence needs to change, Mr. Danish Ali. Kumaraswamy is as responsible as the Chief Minister of Karnataka.
You people are sitting in the studio, only your aim is to discredit the political leadership of this country.
This is not the Karnataka Assembly.
You have only one agenda, you discredit the political class of this country. You have no other agenda.
What credit do you have?
Who says the politicians, the elected representatives, the thieves, the criminals, the cheats, please, it is an international agenda which you are pursuing. You are trying to discredit the political leadership of this country.
If you don't have the intelligence of the French people...
One second. I think Danish Ali, if you think that throwing these cheats, and I repeat it, throwing these cheats, these louts, these freeloaders,
absolute louts,
these shameless MLAs, who should be not just thrown out of the assembly but from public life, because they go to Sydney for the Madame Tussauds experience. They are experiencing Amitabh Bachchan, Hrithik Roshan and Shah Rukh Khan in addition to Captain Cook, Donald Bradman, Albert Einstein, Hugh Jackman, Johnny Depp and Lady Gaga before going to a 5-star hotel in Sydney. If you tell me that it is my fault or Sohail Seth's fault that we are calling these people cheats, let me say this to you, Mr. Danish Ali, I will call them cheats once, twice and many times over.
No, Arnab,
please, and don't take me Bejan Mishra.
It is absolutely wrong.
Mr. Danish Ali, I didn't interrupt you.
I think
let me
Sohail wants to respond to Danish.
Mr. Danish Ali, let me tell you one thing today. As a citizen of India, the political class, by and large, has created its own discrediting. You don't need us in television studios to discredit you. What discredits a human being? Lack of character, lack of strength, lack of courage. Most importantly, when that person is in denial. Today, you are all for. You're in denial. What you're saying today is heartbreaking and heart-wrenching. Because what you're trying to tell me is that it is a political party that has created this nonsense of a tour rather than the realities that abound us on the ground. So, Mr. Danish Ali, I will only tell you one thing as a citizen of India. Let me, see, I didn't interrupt you. This is not the Karnataka Assembly. This is Newshour. I will only tell you one thing today. Please do not mock our intelligence. Please do not, Mr. Ali, please don't mock the intelligence of the citizen anymore. The Aam Aadmi Party has taught you a resounding lesson. Simplicity is not only demonstrable, it's also about belief.
This is exactly what I wanted to say. This is exactly what I wanted to say. This is exactly what I wanted to say, Sohail, today. The people are not foolish now. They have shown it in Delhi that they'll get thrown out.
I'm going to open up the callers.
And you will not even get a visa for Australia. There'll be no Gold Coast.
They will not be seen. People will not see them again. No. You see, they will thrash them out. You will see what is going to happen.
Lalita Kumaramangalam, which excuse will you hide behind tonight?
I'm not going to hide behind
Which excuse will you hide behind tonight?
I know you're anticipating that I'm going to also give some platitudinal answers, but I'm not. The truth is that I still stand by what I said last time when I was on your show, that these sort of junkets should be cancelled, regardless of which party's MLAs participate or which state is holding them. They must be cancelled. Unfortunately, we are finding excuses to justify why some members of our party are going on these tours. But personally, it doesn't just make me feel ashamed, it also embarrasses me when I have to try, and that's why I'm not even trying to justify why these tours are even being held.
I think this is
I have no intentions of saying it's the UPA's fault or the SP's fault or the JDU's fault or anybody else's fault for that matter. Unfortunately, one of the things that Sohail said I agree with. We are all jointly responsible for these sort of things.
Why is Dodanna Gowda, Hunuma Gowda of the BJP so powerful that Rajnath Singh can't sack him? I mean, if Rajnath Singh sacks him today, he'll get a standing ovation. What makes this man so powerful?
Unfortunately, you're forgetting that these people are not elected by Rajnath Singh. They are elected by the people of Karnataka. I hope that
what is shocking is you can't blame the people for everything. The people of Karnataka, that's a ridiculous argument, isn't it, Sohail? The people of Karnataka did not tell. The people of Karnataka did not tell Dodanna Gowda, Hunuma Gowda that go and watch a cabaret in Sydney.
Do you think people elected you to go and watch a cabaret?
People like this are not elected.
Did people elect the MLAs in Karnataka to go to the Gold Coast, to watch a cabaret, to go on a river cruise?
No, they have not.
Go and live in a five-star hotel when the state is afflicted with drought?
You also can be a little reasonable.
I'm
not saying that what's happening is right. But please, just because you use, long-minded English words, it doesn't mean that everything you say is right. Listen to me, please. Without listening, it's all very well to jump in and judge me. Listen to what I'm saying, please. I'm not saying that the people of Karnataka elected them to go or to attend cabarets and on these binges or junkets or whatever fancy word you want to use. I'm saying that they have made a mistake. The next time, these people should be taught a lesson. People like this should not be elected.
Mistake?
It is.
What kind of a mistake is this? It's not a mistake. It's not a mistake. You know, I'll tell you what.
It's the absence of
intellect. What do you mean mistake?
Then what do you want me to call it? Some other very strong word? Go ahead, use it. It is wrong. It is a mistake. I'm just using a simple English word, not something very fancy.
You use it.
I just said it, that it's a mistake and that it's wrong. What are the strong words you want me to use?
Lalita Kumaramangalam.
I'm not justifying
Lalita Kumaramangalam, it's not. I'm sorry, Ms. Kumaramangalam, but I sense in your.
Use the right word.
In your. Exactly.
What word do you want me to use? Perhaps I'm not as good in English as you are. Tell me what word you want me to use.
Ma'am, let me tell you, these people are nothing less.
Unparliamentary words, go ahead, use them and tell me what you want me to use. I don't like using unparliamentary words on national television, unfortunately.
This is the... No, we're not using unparliamentary. Betrayal of trust is as parliamentary.
This is exactly what I'm saying, that this is why people like these should not be voted for. It is wrong that they have gone on these junkets. Using public money, this sort of thing should not happen.
I'll say this today. I will say this today. I'll say this today, and I challenge anyone here to say that I have used language on which they will take action against me. I will say here today
I'm going to take action.
This is the worst form.
I'm just saying that I don't want to use
form of moral.
This is the worst form.
This is the worst form. This is the worst form of moral and political and financial theft at the taxpayer's expense. And go ahead, Lalita Kumaramangalam, you are a lawyer. Sue me for saying that.
No, I'm not a lawyer.
I'm going to open up the phone lines right now.
I'm not a lawyer.
I'm going to open up the phone lines right now. Well, good you're not. Then hire a lawyer and tell him to sue me if you disagree with me.
I'm not here to
Dodanna Gowda, Hunuma Gowda, who's from the BJP.
There are politicians who also agree with what is wrong is in this system and try to, try to say that we are there, we are not all as dishonest as everybody else is.
Vijay from Bangalore, we're getting a lot of callers tonight.
They don't want to listen.
And our first caller is from Bangalore. Vijay, good evening, and who's your question to and what is it?
Yeah,
of course we're listening to you. Go ahead. Vijay is a consultant from Bangalore. Go ahead, Vijay.
Yeah, Arnab Goswami, good evening to you. I'm speaking from Bangalore. This is Brigadier Vijay Raghavan, a security consultant. I firstly would like to thank Arnab Goswami to keep it on the headlines, and I really feel ashamed that I belong to the state of Karnataka, where there are people who are going on this junket journeys abroad, and when I was trying to check the meaning of the word junket in the dictionary a few minutes back, since I am not so very literate as the lady who's representing BJP is talking about, nor am I a legal lawyer. It says a public official going on public money is going on a junket. Right, madam, my blood boils. My blood really boils when the representatives use our money to go on a fun trip. What is it they're planning to do?
Absolutely.
But sir, she's blaming you. Sir, she's blaming
I'm
the
really
people
ashamed,
of
and she says
Karnataka.
that,
Saying
and she
these
says
people
that
have been elected, therefore they
we have not committed a mistake.
No, 1 second, Vijay.
It is a crime.
Brigadier Vijay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Miss Kumaramangalam, let Brigadier Vijay complete. No, 1 second. I think the time has come in this country, Miss Kumaramangalam, for all of us now to bow down to the people and hear them. And I think I support Brigadier Vijay, and I'm openly saying I am on his side, not yours.